then you need to back up a few steps for me, okay? You get closer and closer. Just back up for me, okay?
You got another cop here. You've got multiple guns. You're safe. All the weapons you got on you, all the militarized gear you got, and you're afraid of a little camera, a little GoPro camera. We're just here for transparency and accountability. That's all you have to fear. State police got one in the torture cuffs. State police are putting one in the torture cuffs right now. Michigan State Police here in Jackson, Michigan. So he's got backup units coming, backup units on the way. He called in for backup units, this trooper. We're here in Jackson, Michigan. So this trooper, he's got one person in torture cuffs. He's going through the pockets of the passenger. He's got backup on the way here in Jackson, Michigan. So guys, make sure you hit that like tab, hit that subscribe tab. Out here on a cop watch for you, out here in Jackson, Michigan. Here comes JPD. Okay, so we got backup on scene. They're late to the party, but they're here now. State police cops here got one in torture cuffs. One, they just went through the pockets, searched her, the passenger. Got the driver in torture cuffs.
And then you need to back up a few steps for me, okay? You get closer and closer. Just back up for me, okay?
You got another cop here. You've got multiple guns. You're safe. I'm a safe distance from you. All the weapons you got on you, all the militarized gear you got, and you're afraid of a little camera, a little GoPro camera. We're just here for transparency and accountability. That's all you have to fear. So we got multiple guns on scene. These cops here more weaponized than they've ever been, more militarized. You see these, he's got his pants jack booted up, tucked in his pants, militarized. I'm guessing this is a ex-military right here. I guarantee this is ex-military cop. He's gonna search this vehicle now, going through the entire vehicle. These cops in Jackson, Michigan are weaponized. They're militarized like you wouldn't believe. Here comes another one, another JPD. Unbelievable. There's a lot of cops in Jackson, Michigan. They weaponize them against we the people. Okay, so take her off camera, I guess. We're gonna take her off camera to pat her down. Oh, she got patted down twice. Got patted down by the trooper. Got patted down a little further. Got the crease check. Got a little deeper search from the woman on woman. Okay, so he's going through her purse now. We all know how cops have a fetish for women's purses. They love going through women's purses like you wouldn't believe. So business shut right down here. We're at this, it's a corner store, party store here, and business is shut right down. There hasn't been a car come in for business since these cops showed up. Completely shut down their business here, this takeout store. We're here in Jackson, Michigan. So we'll see if we can get these guys, this guy out of torture cuffs. A lot of times when I show up, they let them out of torture cuffs and they get set free. We'll see if they can be so lucky today. So far he's still searching, hasn't found nothing. He's just ripping this car apart, guys, ripping it apart. This car is going to be completely trashed when this militarized state trooper's done with it. Then he'll say, okay, go ahead, go on your way, you're free to go. You didn't find nothing. The guns, the 3 hired guns will stand down, watch. They'll stand down, they'll go back to their vehicles. Unbelievable. Jackson, Michigan, guys, the city of Jackson, Michigan. Crime is so low right now. Crime has never been so low, and they're literally creating crimes here in Jackson, Michigan, guys, because crime is so low. The jails are empty right now. They need to keep them full. It's a big money making scam. So this trooper here needed 2 extra backup, 2 extra hired guns for 2, look to be seniors. They're both probably in their late 50s or 60s, and he needed 3 cops here and 3 guns for 2 seniors and 1 camera. You know, crime is so low right now in Jackson, Michigan. Lowest point in history. It's never been so low. These cops, they're literally inventing crimes, creating crimes, so they can keep their jails full. These jails are empty right now. They need to fill them up. Keep that revenue coming in, keep that money flowing for the state. Hey guys, it's Freedom News Now. Make sure you hit that like tab, hit that subscribe tab. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now. We'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment audits. I'm out.